So 1000x, right? You think this is a joke? This ain't even a joke. I'm going to show you an altcoin which is based in AI, which literally could do that, right? And no one's even talking about it. Let me show you real quick. Bam. What's up guys, welcome to UX Crypto. My name is Aaron and I hope everybody is doing well out there. So I've been in crypto since 2016. I've seen 2 bear markets, 2 bull markets, and yeah, still going, right? And I found this altcoin gem which I feel like I just need to tell everybody, right? I was shocked when I started reviewing this. But anyway, let me literally show you. Let's get into it. So the coin is VAIOT, okay? VAIOT. So what is it? I will get into the site and I'll show you what it is. Intelligence services powered by the first VFAA, regulated digital asset. It's regulated, tick, right? And oh, what can you see up here? AI developed in cooperation with IBM. And if you look at the price of this, it's gold. And if I play this, I'm also going to play this real quick so you can see a little bit about it. And yeah, let me show you.
Yes.
Will you be the owner and registered keeper of the vehicle?
Yes.
How do you use the vehicle?
Social and commute.
How many miles do you drive the vehicle per year?
About 12,000 miles.
Thank you. Could you please scan your driver's license?
Here.
So technology overview, intelligent contracts. And as you can see, you've got different things that you can be used for. So one thing that drew my attention is AI virtual assistant. So this is chatbots, right? So I work in technology. I've been in the technology for over 10 years. And one thing I've always seen is chatbots, right? Every time I go to a new company, we're like, right, we're going to integrate a new a chatbot, right? and then obviously this is stuff which is growing and growing. And obviously a lot of these companies, they already have them, but they need a back-end solution to be that good, right? And obviously here you go. You've got IBM. They're going to work with IBM, right? So I think my money's on this one, mate. And we've got IBM Watson. So IBM Watson is quite well known in the space of AI, and obviously a lot of people do work with Watson. And yeah, you've got different SDKs, you've got code generation engine, you've got quite a lot of nice things, right? And one thing I've noticed on this is that it's quite decentralized. So this coin's really decentralized. And obviously after the whole FTX thing and things not being decentralized and it being centralized and things falling down, we don't really want that, right? We want to see decentralized coins. And as you can see, the token allocation for this is really decentralized, so really good. And yeah, something to really think about. And you can stake your coins as well, it seems, which is really good. And yeah, look at the partners, right? This is what I'm really quite interested in. So you've got like the University of somewhere, IBM, obviously, Chainlink, right? Which you will see in a minute and why this is so important. You've got MakerDAO, Orion Chain, which yes, I'm going to be reviewing that very soon. So, and these other ones you might be able to write down in the comments below if you know any of the other ones. I don't know these other partners, but let me know. And yeah, look, you've already got clients. You've got already a client using this. So, you know, very good. So you can also see the team as well. Really good. Nice to see people you can actually see. And yeah, you've got tech pioneers who receive blockchain related news. So you literally have a lot of people already signed up for this. Obviously, we want to know about price, right? I've shown you the really cool bits, shown you that this is a big boy project. Yeah, it's doing big things and it's got potential. This has got groundbreaking potential. So let's get into that. Let me show you the price, all right? So the current price is at 10p, 10 pennies or cents, if you want to say that, if you're American. So what was the price before, as in terms of cents or dollars or pennies? So we had a price all-time high at $3.21, and that was on the 2nd of April. And you know, as you can see right now, if we went back to that, that is literally a crazy return, right? That's 30 times your money right there. And this is just going back to all-time highs. This was before the AI trend, before ChatGPT done its thing. This was before that. So you need to kind of weigh that into the equation that we're going to have a trend. And on that note, what was something what had a trend? I've got a drum roll for you. Drum roll. It was Chainlink, right? So Chainlink, we're going to be using as a benchmark. So I don't know if you guys remember, but at one point, I think it was during 2021, the Oracle chains, right? All of the different coins for Oracles, they had like a massive run, even before the bull market happened. So it was a massive trend. They were like, everyone was going crazy over it. And Chainlink obviously came out like on top, done really well. So this is why we're going to use this as a reference point, because we're looking at trends and how does trends react inside of bull markets, right? So here we are, and you know, the current price of Chainlink is $6, but once upon a time we had a price of $49 around about. And so the market cap for Chainlink currently, if we have a little look at that, where are we? It is currently 3 billion. So if we wanted to just hit 3 billion, and we go back to VIOTA, and we see that we're at 22 million, we can 100 times ourselves and then still be under 3 billion, right? So we're looking at 120x to even just get to that point right there. 120x just that alone. So, you know, really, really nice returns on that. But we're not looking at 100x, right? What are we looking at? We're looking at 1000x. So let me show you why it's 1000x. So I'm taking you back to the Chainlink chart, and we want to see the date of this. So if we look at the date of this, this was like around the 5th of the 8th, 2021. And what was the market cap back then? So if we go back to our little data source, right? So the 5th, 2021, and you know, we actually hit a price of $51 on some exchanges. And the market cap back then, it was 22 billion, right? And if we look at our coin over here now, and our 22 million, you got 1000x to get to 22 billion, okay? 1000x. So crazy, right? I just tell you guys, this ain't a joke. You can actually get to that, right? We've seen with oracles, the trend, AI is gonna follow. I'm telling you this, it's gonna happen. So it's up to you guys what you wanna do, but I'm happy to be able to have shown this to you. You know, it's a beast of a coin. You know that, you can see that, right? I can see that. So I hope that you saw some value in this, right? And I hope you do the right thing. But anyway, I've got a whole bunch of other videos like this. We're reviewing other altcoins, and you know, if you like this, you're gonna probably like some of the other altcoins I've got. So I've got a video right there for you. Check that one out. If I don't see you, I'll see you at the top. Bye.